Hi guys, I am in the 3121 2020. Just got offline yesterday actually, and I got some customers coming from Redding, California here in Elkhart, Indiana to pick this up, and I just wanted to show you real quick some changes before they get here. So this is the Legacy package, and I'll show you what they did different here. So you get into your controls, there's all your normal stuff. Slides, lights, awnings, tanks, all that good stuff. And then over here above your coffee table, with the Legacy package you get the built-in surge protector, and they just put in this remote display by Progressive Dynamics is who makes that surge protector. Here it shows we're plugged into shore power. If you're running the generator, it's going to tell you that the power is coming from the generator, and then air is going to tell you if there was some kind of fault that tripped that, or what the status is with it. So it's one of those things, Montana's just thinking about you guys. Just more information the better. So if something happens to the power, you can look at that display and find out what is going on for your next step of diagnosis. Also over here you've got the new window above the stovetop there. Just really changes the overall feel of this coach, as it is the only window in the slide on this side. So when it's outside the trailer, it really makes it feel completely different in here with nice natural light. The only other windows you get on this side of the coach is that one in the back and then the one up front in the bedroom. So there's two more things I want to show you. One is going to be in the bathroom. So in this big linen storage that you have up above the toilet, they added a nice light in there because that's a huge cavity. So nice light every time you open up, boom, LED light you can actually see in there. So that's pretty impressive space. Again, it's one of those things at Montana, they're just they listen to a lot of the feedback from people that full-time in these. Montana Owners Club, they give a lot of good feedback as well. So the other thing I want to show you is the window up above the bed. So again, it just lets in more natural light. This is the queen bed, so it gives you quite a bit more room to move around. Just really changes up the feel. And you do get both daytime and nighttime roller shades on there, so you can close that off and the light's not going to bother you. It's going to keep that cold out because it is heat resistant, which is also cold resistant. This is the champagne interior. All kinds of good stuff. So please subscribe. I love telling you guys about all the new updates, as this industry is always changing. It's kind of hard to keep up, and that's what Team Montana is about, is just specializing in all product knowledge so you get your best buy. We're 20 miles from the manufacturer, so it's pretty rare that we get beat on price or knowledge. Thank you for watching. Check my other videos for some more.